Hello friends, myself Sana Abdul Habib Kachi. I am MBBS student. I am studying in SVN GMC Yavatmal. Today I am gonna teach you respiratory system of drug, which is very important topic. It is PG based topic and university based topic also. In respiratory system of drug, there are 5 main points which are C: demulcents, expectorants, antitussues, opioids and non-opioids. We can first see demulcents. It is lozenge cough drop, inductus containing syrup. Expectorants are bronchial secretion, mucolytes, viscosity. In antitussues, it is important in central nervous system. It is rise thresholds of cough center, peripheral, tussous impulse and control, and only for dry and non-productive cough or in hazards of contraction. We can see opioids. It is less potent morphine used in cough, constipation, RS depression, etc. Non-opioids. It is completely opposite in opioids. We can see necrotine in non-opioids. Plus used in osmotic cough, antihistamic and bronchoconstrictions. Now I am going to show you drug of cough. See guys, first generation agent and second generation agent are drug of cough are present, but we can mostly use second generation of drug. Now we saw first generation agent: diphenhydramine, dihydramine, promethazine, cinnarizine, cyclizine, meclizine, hydrozyne and phenaramine. This is all first generation agent. Mostly we can use second generation agent, which is cetirizine, levocetirizine, azalastine, mesalastine, loratadine, desloratadine, fexofadidine, ibastine and rupastine. Now how you can keep in this mind? So make a simple mnemonic which is very helpful to recognize you. Like call me Duffer. Call me Duffer is a simple mnemonic of second generation agent like C for cetirizine, L for levocetirizine, A for azalastine, double L for loratadine. It is call. Now me. Me is mesalastine. It is me. Call me. Duffer is desloratadine, fexofadidine, ibastine and rupastine. Like desloratadine, fexofadidine, E for ibastine and R for rupatidine. It is called me Duffer. You can make simple mnemonics to recognize or your mind itself. Now I can show you drug for bronchial asthma. It is very important for respiratory system. It has bronchodilator. In bronchodilator, B2 sympathomatics. It is adrenergic drug caused bronchodilation through B2 receptor stimulation. It has some 6 drugs are present: salbutamol, terbutaline, bambuterol, salmeterol, formoterol and ephedrine. How you keep in this mind? ST bus fees. It is simple mnemonic. ST bus fees is like ST is salbutamol, T is terbutaline, bus is bambuterol, S is salmeterol, fees is formoterol, E is ephedrine. Now we can see salbutamol. Salbutamol, it is highly B2 agonist. Cardiac side effects are less potent and it is important in inhalation. See guys, it is one of the most important inhaler. It is used in respiratory system. I can tell you in next. Bambuterol or terbutaline. Terbutaline, it is similar as salbutamol, as well as it has same uses. Bambuterol, it is slowly hydrolyzed in plasma, lung and broncholitis. It is released in 24 hours. Now salmeterol, it is first long acting selective beta agonist with all one set of action. Formoterol, it is another long acting selective beta 2 agonist which has 12 hours when inhaled. Now ephedrine, this is oral sympathomatics. It has alpha beta 1 plus beta 2 action. Now it has causes mild slowly developing and bronchodilations. Second is leukotriene antagonist. It has 2 drugs, montelukast and zafirlukast. It is most important in drug of bronchial asthma. Now corticosteroids. See guys, this is steroidal nasal aqueous spray. It has important for inhalation. It has present in steroid and mometasone aqueous nasal spray. Hydrocorticosteroid, prednisolone. And now inhalation is budesonides. It is one of the most important or one of the typical example. Now we gonna turn in next page like pharmacological action of respiratory system. Pharmacological action of respiratory system, first is central nervous system, CVS, cardiovascular system, stomach, muscle, kidney, skeletal muscle and metabolism. These are all pharmacological action. Now we move mechanism of action. In mechanism of action, release calcium 2 positive from sarcoplasmic reticulum, inhibition of phosphodiester, blockage of adenosine receptor. These three are very important mechanism of action in respiratory system. Now we can see uses. Uses is bronchial asthma, COPD, apnea in premature infant, respiratory disorder. Now adverse effect. You can take some pills, it has doing some adverse effect like systemic side effect are rare, local irritations, cough, bronchospasm and headache. Thank you so much guys, keep support and please hit like and comment.